Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. So this is the work that I gave to the people that I'm teaching. The GC is for 2025. This was the exercise. So we've just started from the basics so that even as we get to move forward, we build from these foundational topics. So I gave them this work and I just want us to revise through it together publicly. So now, the question here was telling us to factorize the following. So we want to factorize these expressions. So how then do you factorize something like this? You look for a number that can go into 125 and 5. What is that number? It is 5. So you just say 5, then you do this. You say 5 into 125, we are getting what? 25. So we are getting 25 a squared minus, what is 5 into 5? That is a 1. You do this. You should not only end here, you ask yourself, is this difference of 2 squares as 25 as a square root and a 1? So it's a perfect square. Say, 25 is a perfect square. Even 1 is a perfect square. So meaning that this can also be written as 5. What is the square root of 25? That is 5 squared a squared minus square root of 1, it is just 1 squared. Have you seen? So meaning that we can further factorize that. In this case, the answer now is 5 like this. Then you can put them in square brackets like this, where you do, that is 5a minus 1, or you say plus 1, then 5a minus 1 like this. Then you are done. So this is the what? This is the answer. This is what you are supposed to do. If you want, you can remove these square brackets. I'm just doing this so that the work can be very neat. I proceed to a question like this one. You should not start by finding, you say 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. No, you make mistakes. The first concept, you say which number can go into 4 and 16? It is 4. So you put a 4 there. There is no letter here. This is the reason why I'm just concentrating on the numbers. So from here now, you say 4 into 4, it is 1, minus 4 into 16, that is 4. Then x squared like this. So you ask yourself, can this be factorized further? Is this difference of 2 squares? Is 4 a perfect square? Yes. 1 a perfect square? Yes. So you can say 4, open bracket, square root of 1, it is 1 minus. Square root of 4, it is 2. So 2 squared, then x squared. I do this. This is what I'm going to do. Where I know that this, I just change the sign. I say 4, then square brackets. I say 1 minus 2x. Then in the next bracket, I'll put plus 1 plus 2x. I do this, then I also do that. So meaning this is the what? This is the answer. This is what I'm supposed to do. So these are questions. This is what you need to do whenever you are answering such questions in an exam. You move to this. How then do you factorize something like this? If you want to factorize something like this, you group these into 2. This is what you're going to do. You factorize this part, you also factorize that part. So what are we going to do? What is common here? A is common. So you factor out A. Then A into 8t squared, that is t squared, minus A into 4a. A will be cancelled to remain with a 4, like that. You do this. You say plus. Here it's a number. Have you seen? There is no letter there. So 2 can go into 2 and also 8. So you put a 2 there, open brackets. 2 into 2x squared. 2 cancelled, you remain with t squared minus 2 into 8, that is 4. I do this. If you look at this, you now discover that this expression and that expression are the same. It means that you are doing the correct thing, where you are just going to get what is outside, a plus 2 there. A plus what? Plus 2. And these two, which are the same, you just get 1. So that is t squared minus 4, like that. But if you look at this is difference of two squares, meaning that you can further factorize this one that is here, where you are going to say that can also be written as a plus 2. Then you've got that is t squared minus square root of 4, that is 2 squared. Difference of two squares. So this is just the same as a plus 2. Put a square brackets like this. If you want, you can put this, then where you say t minus 2, t plus 2, like that. Then you put cross. So this is the what? This is the answer. You can end here. There is no problem. So this is the what? This is the answer. This is what you need to know and understand. I also said something like, if you've got x squared minus b squared, this is just the same as the repetition of these two. You just change the sign. This is what we mean by difference of two squares, where you're just going to have x plus b, x minus b. So these two are just the same. You should not even be confused. This and that are just the same. So this is what we mean by difference of two squares. You can only do this if there is a minus here. So this is the exercise I gave. Hope we've revised through. Maybe there is someone that is watching this video that is not yet under my online lessons. So GCE for 2025 we've started. This is the exercise I gave them last night. So let's make sure we start together. And those of you that could like to join, this is the number you need to contact. You need to contact me on this number. So you WhatsApp me on my number. This is my number 0971 066747. This is my number. So I get to do recorded lessons and live sessions. At the moment, as we've seen, the network is not that stable. So I do both live and recorded, so that we all try to catch up and revise through. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like this particular video. Have a wonderful day.